Hello, my dear students of Standard 2nd. I am welcoming you to learn our new chapter of English grammar, and we are going to learn our prepositions today. Okay, today our topic is preposition. Are you ready for learning, children? Okay, let us start doing the chapter. First of all, we will understand the meaning of preposition. Preposition is a word which is made of two words. Preposition दो वर्ड से बना हुआ है, pre and position. ओके, pre का मतलब क्या होता है? Before. pre का मतलब है before and position means placement या place. ओके, तो जो कोई भी सेंटेंस में जिसकी जगह पहले आती है नाउन से पहले, तो जिसकी जगह किसी से भी पहले नाउन या प्रोनाउन से पहले है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रीपोजिशन. ओके, सो चलो हम देखते हैं इसके डिफाइन. अ प्रीपोजिशन इज अ वर्ड लिंक अ नाउन और प्रोनाउन. A preposition is a word link a noun or pronoun with another noun or pronoun in a sentence. Preposition क्या है? Word है link यानी कि वो रिलेशन बनाता है a noun or pronoun, noun या pronoun का with another noun or pronoun. या तो ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि दूसरे पार्ट के साथ, सेंटेंस के दूसरे पार्ट्स के साथ जो सेंटेंस रिलेशन बनाता या लिंक करता है उसको जोड़ता है. ओके, नाउ यहाँ हम एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. एग्जाम्पल 1, आई एम इन द क्लास. हियर हमको पता है कि आई क्या है? प्रोनाउन है, और क्लास क्या है? इट इज अ नाउन. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आई एम इन द क्लास कहाँ पे है? कहाँ पे हूँ मैं? इन क्या बताता है? उसकी ये इन क्या है? प्री पोजिशन है. ओके, अब मैं आपको समझाती हूँ. आई एंड क्लास, वो दोनों के बीच में रिलेशन किसने बना? इन. आई एम इन द क्लास, सो इसको हम बोलते हैं प्री पोजिशन. ओके, या तो ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, प्रीपोजिशन आर द वर्ड्स विच टेल अस अबाउट अ पर्सन, थिंग, एनिमल और प्लेस वेयर दे आर. ओके, वो कहाँ पे है? वेयर का आंसर जिससे हमको मिलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रीपोजिशन. द बुक इज ऑन द टेबल. यहाँ पे द बुक क्या है? नाउन है, और टेबल, बुक हमारा नाउन है और टेबल भी नाउन है. ये दोनों को कौन लिंक करता है? ऑन. तो ऑन क्या है? प्रीपोजिशन. बुक और टेबल, उनके बीच में क्या रिलेशन है? ऑन. कहाँ पे? उसकी जगह बताता है. सो दीज वर्ड्स इन, ऑन, अंडर, ओवर, बिफोर, आफ्टर, these all are the words they stand for preposition in a sentence. Okay, now preposition is classified in 3 types. One type which are showing location. एक टाइप के preposition है जो हमको लोकेशन के बारे में बताते हैं. ओके, the other is showing us time. दूसरे जो हमको टाइम बताते हैं and movement बताते हैं. So let us see one by one. Location में over, on, near and beside. These kind of preposition are showing us location. Let us see through example. Kitty is sitting on the roof. Kitty is sitting on the roof. Which preposition is used here? Preposition on. On preposition use हुआ है. Okay? So on से क्या पता चलता है कि लोकेशन कहाँ बैठी है किटी? ऑन द रूफ, रूफ के ऊपर बैठी है. टाइम, अपॉन, टू, बिफोर, आफ्टर, बाय. These all words, these all preposition shows us time. Okay, so example, Ricky watches TV after dinner. कब रिकी टीवी देखने वाला है, देखता है, तो रिकी वॉचेस टीवी आफ्टर डिनर. सो हियर वी हैव कम टू नो के डिनर के बाद, कौन से टाइम पे, डिनर के बाद. सो दिस आफ्टर शोज अस टाइम, प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ टाइम. एंड मूवमेंट, सो मूवमेंट down, along, into, toward. So let us see through example. They are walking along the street. Means they are walking in a line. Okay. So this shows us movement. Okay. So these kind of we have classified in movement. So different types of prepositions are there, and now we are going to start doing our exercise. Now children, let us start doing our exercise. Fill in the blanks with proper prepositions. Here 2 prepositions are given for each fill up, and we have to choose one of the proper appropriate prepositions from the bracket. Okay, let us start doing. Number 1, the teacher is at the classroom. The teacher is in the classroom or on the classroom. Which will be suitable, which will be perfect, or which will be right? In. So the teacher is in the classroom. We can't say on the classroom. On the classroom is right? No. Classroom के ऊपर नहीं है, पर अंदर है. Okay. Second one, the temple is dash the top of the hill. The temple is dash the top of the hill. In the top of the hill. Top of the hill के अंदर है, या तो on. The temple is on the top of the hill. तो in is not right, on is right. So the temple is on. On means ऊपर है. Okay. So right answer is the temple is on the top of the hill. Third one, the rat is dash the door. कहाँ पे है rat? Behind the door और in the door. In the door हो सकता है? No. In the door नहीं हो सकता. Behind means पीछे. तो behind is the right answer. So we write behind here. समझ आया? Fourth one, we take dinner. I have done it. Okay, that's night. I have we take dinner at night. By night nahi. At night is proper preposition here. So we have used here at night. So we take dinner at night. Fifth one, an ant fell dash a stream. An ant fell into a stream, या in a stream, which will be more suitable. So into. Into is the proper preposition here. Okay. The bird lives dash a tree. The bird lives under a tree or on a tree. Which preposition is more suitable here? Tree के अंडर रहता है bird और on a tree. So on a tree. Yes. On is the correct answer. Seventh one, Saturday comes. Saturday comes dash Friday. Saturday comes before Friday और after Friday. Saturday कब आता है? Friday के पहले आता है या बाद में आता है? Yes, Saturday comes after. Friday के बाद आता है Saturday. Okay. Eighth one, the helicopter flies dash the sky. Which preposition is correct here? In or above? The helicopter flies in the sky or above the sky? Sky के ऊपर है कि अंदर है? Yes, in the sky. So the helicopter flies in the sky. Ninth one, the cat is dash the bed. The cat is dash the bed, under the bed or at the bed? So under the bed. Okay, so children, here different preposition we have used: in, on, behind, at, into, on, after, in, under. These all words we in the sentence are stand for preposition. They connect one noun to another or one pronoun to another. Okay, understood? Children, let us move towards our next exercise. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. What we have to do? We have to underline the prepositions. Okay, now you have come to know what are the prepositions. So let us start doing. Number one, he came at 4 o'clock. He came at 4 o'clock. So what is the preposition here? At. Okay. Second number, he lives in Delhi. He lives in Delhi. See children, यहाँ पे ही क्या है? प्रोनाउन है. ओके, और दिल्ली क्या है? नाउन है. वो दोनों को के बीच में कौन रिलेशन क्रिएट करता है? इन. ही, दिल्ली, इन. ही lives in Delhi. ओके, सो जो वर्ड जो प्रीपोजिशन वर्ड है, they are what they are doing? They are relating one noun to another or pronoun to noun or pronoun to pronoun. Okay. Third number, the driver was killed by the robber. Driver और robber two nouns है और उनके बीच में by. By is क्या करता है? by relation बनाता है. Okay. He ran after me. He ran after me. So he and me preposition है और after से हमने क्या किया है? पोजिशन हमको पता चलता है. He और me. Okay. She came before me. So what will be the preposition? Before. She and me two pronouns. The boy is standing behind the door. Boy noun है और door door क्या है? वो भी noun है. तो ओके, तो ये behind है, वो उनके बीच में क्या है? वो preposition है, जिससे boy कहाँ है वो हमको पता चलता है. The cat jumped into the well. So which preposition comes here? The cat jumped into the well. Cat और well दो क्या है? noun है और into is the preposition है. Eighth number, the dog is sitting behind the chair. Where is the dog sitting here? Behind the chair. So behind shows the relation between the dog and chair. Okay. 9 number, the cat seller is sitting under the tree. Again, cat seller कौन है यहाँ पे? cat seller noun है और tree वो भी noun है. उनके बीच में relation कौन बताता है हमको? under the tree. Okay. He came here by scooter. He came here by scooter. So he pronoun and scooter noun है. So by is creating here relation between he and scooter. Okay. 11th one, I will reach there in time. I will reach there in time. So in जो I pronoun और time दोनों के बीच में क्या करता है? रिलेशनशिप बनाता है. 12th one, he came here on Sunday. He came here on Sunday. Again, he pronoun is here and Sunday is noun here. So, which word shows relationship between he and Sunday? On. Okay. 13th one, the leopard climbed up the tree. The leopard climbed up the tree. So, what will be the preposition here? यहाँ पे प्रीपोजिशन क्या है? climbed up. Okay, up is the preposition here, leopard is the noun and tree is the noun, and between them which word is showing us relationship? Up. So these all are the words which we have underlined. They are called which word? Preposition words. Okay, so children, now you learn what is prepositions. Okay, children, now whatever is given to you in your PDF, you have to do it for your exams, and you have to write it in your CW wisely. One is for your classwork and one is for your homework. Okay children, thanks for now.